I have never been this pale. Actually, that's a lie. I was this pale when I was like born. Hi guys, if you are new to my channel, hi, how are you? My name is Kayla-Lea, and if you are not new to my channel, hi, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on another video. Yes, I am a brunette again. We're back, bitches. Anyways, Black Friday was not that long ago. I did get sucked in to the Good American Black Friday sale. Okay. But I didn't actually buy it on Black Friday. I actually did get to the checkout point and I was like, you know what? I don't need this. I don't need these jeans. This is not a necessity. But then Cyber Monday came around and I was like, you know what? When am I ever gonna get these prices though? I spent like $60 on the 2 pairs that I got. That's a steal. Now, what we're gonna decide today is, one, is it worth the normal price? Because I know so one of them was $61 and the original price was $123. And two, can my favorite jeans in my closet beat Good American? And what I mean by that is when I put on the Good American jeans, will I like it better than my current favorite jeans? So it's the straight leg, pretty little thing, kind of like high waist mom jean, but with the slit at the end. Super cute, love these. They go well with a lot of different outfits, and the reason why I like them a lot is because they look really good with heels. As a tall girl, it's hard for me to find good jeans that not only fit well, but also hits my feet. God, the difference in, I'm sorry y'all, okay, I'm not used to, it's winter here, and I'm not used to winter, clearly. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the Good American package because I haven't even opened it up yet. I wanted to share it with y'all. Ah, I'm so excited. All right, so clearly they don't put much effort into like the actual packaging. That's not an issue, not a big deal. I really don't care. Pretty little thing. Their bags are really cute. Just saying. All right, so we have our order receipt right here. Ooh, I feel a sneeze coming. Oh, that was disgusting. I'm sorry, guys. Bless me. I wish these would have like the prices of the jeans on them. Like, why do they never do that? I know Miss Gaia does that too. You can never find the prices. So I did get the seamless slim boot cut like leggings. They're like flare leggings, and that's what these are. So they are here. I did get it in the size 1-2, which was basically like a small / medium. I don't know how I feel about it, but we'll see how it fits. And then I also got the Good Legs flare jeans with the exposed buttons, and I did get it in a size 29, which is basically like an 8. I did that just to be safe. I do wear a size 6 a lot of the time, but you know, I just wanted to be safe, so I went with my exact measurements, and the exact measurement of my waist, at least at the time when I ordered this, was 29 inches. So that's those. And then the third pair I got was the Good Legs printed pockets. Okay, so these I think are gonna be a good in between of the flare and the printed pockets. The printed pockets one is basically like a skinny jean, so let's try it out.
Alrighty, let's start with Pretty Little Thing straight jeans. They fit pretty great, honestly. I did get them for $38. They have this high waist / mom jean fit, and I absolutely love them. Now for Good American, we're gonna start with the Good Legs printed pockets. I did get these for $61.95. As you can see, there is like this tummy control technology installed, and it honestly made my waist look pretty snatched. My butt looked pretty decent. It could have looked better, but you know, can't complain. Still pretty cute. I did include some mirror shots as well so you can see how it fit on my legs. We got some other good legs, but this time in the flare fit. I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely loved these. They did make my waist look good. I do think that they made my booty pop a little bit more. They were super comfy and they hit the floor. And then we got the seamless slim bootcut leggings with this great rubber technology and super stretchy fabric. I could have gone a size up because you can see my muffin top just a little bit. But other than that, I absolutely loved these.
I am absolutely sitting here with no pants on. When you're trying on clothes that quickly back to back, you get warm, okay? So, final thoughts. What do I think? First question was, is Good American worth the original prices? Let's go down the line right quick. Don't know what order I'm gonna edit this in, so we're just gonna go with the list I'm about to say right now. The Good Legs printed pocket, that was like the skinny jean with the ripped knee. The original price was $123.90. Ouch. But I got it for $61.95. Better. I think they were worth the $61. I think they were really good quality. I just think I'm not into skinny jeans anymore. Plus I know they're kind of out right now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep those. The one thing I really did like about them though is it did say on the tag too that it has like tummy control technology. I am here to vouch for that. It 100% has that. I don't know if it's the workouts I've been doing or if it was the jeans, but it definitely made me look more like snatched. But I will say compared to the flare jeans, which I'm about to get into, my ass didn't look as good. Excuse my language. So that was another con, I guess you can say, but with the pro. So I did like them. I liked the way they fit. They felt good, but I just don't think that's me anymore. So I may return them. I don't even know why I bought them in the first place. Probably just to try them on for this video. Second pair of jeans were the Good Flare Raw Exposed Button. Those I absolutely loved. Absolutely 100% perfect. They were originally $131 even, and I got them for $65.65. Love them. I'm definitely keeping them. They made my ass look great. I keep saying that. They made my butt look good, and I was really into the fit. One thing to think about when it comes to Good American, they are 100% true to size, 100%. If you don't know your measurements, do your measurements. Go buy a little tape measure from the fabric section at Walmart, $1, okay? Measure yourself and then use those measurements when you're buying your jeans. I used the size guide and I went by, excuse me. I went by the exact measurements of my body, and multiple times I would be kind of in the middle, so I would round up. So round up. Definitely round up if you kind of land in the middle as well. But if you know your exact size, 100% get it, because I will say that these are 100% true to size. If I would have gotten a 6, they may have been way too tight. Not way too tight, but like a little bit tight. Now for the last item, seamless slim boot cut leggings. Originally they were $71 and I got them for $35.50. I think they were 100% worth the $35.50. I really liked this technology right here that they installed. It's like a sticky gel-like thing that really held them in place. You know when you're working out and like with some leggings, they just don't stay in place. Like, you're always constantly pulling them up, trying to get them to stay in place. These 100% stayed in place. Love that. I could have gone a size up. These did fit, but you know, your girl gets a little belly from time to time. And I think I could have gone a size up 100%. But I kind of just want to keep these because I don't feel like sending them back and them not having the size and then me not being able to get them, and it's just going to be a whole mess and then I'll be sad. So I'm definitely going to keep these. They were really, really cute. I love the color. I love the fit. I love that it's tall girl friendly. 100%. Loved it. Ugh. Okay, did we answer our questions? I don't even know. So we're gonna go back through them one more time. So question number 1, I was trying to answer if the Good American jeans were worth the prices. I definitely think that the flare jeans and the leggings were definitely worth the price I paid and their original prices. The skinny jeans, I'm not 100% sure if I personally think they would be worth the original price. I do think they were worth the $60 that I did pay though. The second question was, were they better than my Pretty Little Thing jeans? I think. Yes. So they were in terms of quality of material. The Pretty Little Thing jeans, they don't necessarily feel cheap, not at all, but it was just a different fabric. Like, these ones felt like they were conforming to my body and they felt really good and like kind of sucked everything in. Whereas my Pretty Little Thing jeans are more of a size 8 fits all type of thing. Because, you know, if you think about it, if I'm a size 8, that could look way different than someone who's 5'5" and is also a size 8. It's just a different body type. And I feel like for whatever reason, the material of the Good American jeans 100% was conforming to me instead of me trying to fit into the jeans, if that makes any sense. I do think both of the Good American jeans were better than my Pretty Little Thing jeans. Do I still think that my Pretty Little Thing jeans are going to be one of my favorites? Yes, of course. They go good with so many outfits. But I will say that I do like the Pretty Little Thing jeans, like the cut, better than the Good Legs from the Good American brand, simply because I just don't think I'm into skinny jeans anymore. I'm just not. I know there's a huge jean debate in the TikTok world, but regardless, I think I might agree. I don't love the skinny jeans anymore. Sorry. I'm sorry. All right, let me stop yapping though. That was all I have to say about the Good American jeans and about the comparison to my Pretty Little Thing jeans. So, if you've made it to the end of the video, think about subscribing, think about checking out some of my other videos, and maybe even think about liking this one. And definitely follow me on my social medias. They will be down below. And leave me a comment if you've bought Good American jeans before and what you think about them. I'm curious to know. I know they get really good reviews, so I know y'all probably have really good reviews as well. But other than that, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, whatever day of the week you are watching this. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys. That was my cat. Ever since I saw you, I had double